Hi investors, this is Ameersha again with you today and welcome to Equity India Research Stock Analysis Program. In this session, we are introducing to our equity investors a new company which is called JBM Auto. JBM Auto is part of JBM Group and their slogan is "Our milestones are touchstones." This company among auto sector companies group, and this is like an unknown company in the list of auto sector companies we have. As per our research, this company is very promising and it can be a multi-bagger stock in the coming years. So, this is the reason why we are introducing this company to the investors. But before we start this program, please note that our recommendations are not buy recommendations for anyone. This is only for educational purpose and market awareness. So once again, welcome back to Equity India Research. Now let us start the presentation today. To move, the JBM Auto, it's a company with auto components and systems that business segments including two-wheelers, three-wheelers, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, and farm and construction equipments. So any vehicles on road, let it be two-wheeler, three-wheeler, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, and the farm and construction equipments you might have seen in India. You can see a participation of products of JBM Auto or JBM Group. To know their business highlights, JBM Group or JBM Auto, they manufacture two-wheeler and three-wheeler vehicles more than 1 billion. And for passenger vehicles, they manufactured 1.5 billion. And commercial vehicles, they manufactured 15 million plus. Also farm and equipment manufactured 1.5 million. And number of vehicles contract manufactured 6,50,000. These are only little insight about this company, but JBM Auto is far bigger than this. Now let us try to move to the next slide of this presentation, which is going to be very interesting for the value investments. Now let us see the JBM Auto's contribution to transport sector. JBM Auto has redefined public transportation through its best-in-class, modern and technologically superior, low-emission and electric buses that have established benchmarks in the areas of passenger comfort, safety, affordability, and innovation. So they are promoting green energy and low emission electric vehicles. And this is going to be one of the best achievement of JBM Auto and JBM Group. Now let us see what are the features of low emission buses they have. It pioneers in first ever B6 or Euro 6 low floor city bus, city life in India, and low floor buses manufactured under the Make in India initiative. Incorporated global technologies providing highest levels of comfort and safety, optimally customized to suit Indian conditions and topography. Also offers fuel efficiency and performance using green technology, thereby reducing the carbon footprint. My friends, before I move to next slides, it's a gentle reminder to you to subscribe this channel, and you'll be benefiting all our new programs and educational videos. And please subscribe and you will enjoy our education programs. Now let us move to our next slide. It is talking about JBM Auto electronic vehicles, its charging solutions through green energy. It is always reliable and scalable. Charging infrastructure in India, providing 24/7 charging network, backed by professionally managed charging network operations centers. As you can see in this picture, it is totally eco-fuel that's supporting the energy through solar powers and making the electric charging points for the vehicles. So as we said, JBM Auto, they have electronic vehicles charging solutions, means it is being produced with a grid support, and they said one sun, one world, one grid. Based on this project, they got deployed over 20 solar power projects across India. So they are not only in auto sector, they are providing green energy to the world. As I said, JBM Auto, they are producing auto components and supporting green energy, and they are providing a lot of CSR services to Indian community. Now let us see how is the equity performance of this company for the value investment. Until 2014, this company was not performing well. In 2014, the price of JBM Auto was just 15 rupees, and it started moving up. And in 2018, from 15 rupees, it got touched rupees 500 level within 4 years. That was the peak performance of this company in trading. But after some time, the company's price started coming down, and again it went up. Now, as you can see in this graph, the price is still in a falling trend. Now the question is, can we consider this company for a long-term investment or not? According to our analysis, the company's performance and the area they represents as auto sector, also their presence with farming and constructions industries, and they are supporting the green energy again. This company's performance can be far better, and it can be considered for the value investment with long-term principle. Definitely, it's a high beta stock, and its beta value is 2.16. And if someone wants to invest in this company, definitely its moving average is very high compared to the large cap stocks. Okay, now in this presentation and in this slide, we have seen the graph of last few years. Now I would like to show you another slide with its price movements. Let us see how it is. In this graph, you can see that the price starting from 6 April till 23 April, its moving range is on a day-to-day basis average 3%, and sometime it went even 8% in a day. So if you are investing in this company and if its movement is minimum 3% per day, it's a great opportunity for the traders to consider this company to buy, and you can use this company even for intraday or short-term investment or long-term investment. All these three ways you will make money with this company. Main reason is its high beta value. So the company's sector is good, and company represents a lot of mainstream activities, and it is very investor friendly for the day traders, short-term investors and long-term investors. Now let us move to another slide with its competitors' data to see how these companies are performing within the same group. In auto sector, here if you can see very well, I have given 8 companies for you. That's Mother and Sumi, Bosch, Endurance Tech, Minda Industries, Excite, Amar Raja Batteries, Wabco India, and JBM Auto. I have marked 3 areas in this. Here I need you to focus this slide very well to see which one is better. If someone is looking for dividend yield, then you have to consider the company like Excite Industries. Excite is the highest dividend paying company in this group. And if you are looking for a bigger company in this group with its market capital, then you have to choose Motherson Sumi, because Motherson Sumi is holding the highest market capital. But who is the smallest company in this group? Definitely it is JBM Auto. It's a small cap company and all others are mid cap companies. Now the question is, being a small cap company as JBM Auto, how it is going to perform against the bigger companies in this group? If you look at the net profit of quarter sales, JBM Auto still holding 21 crore and Motherson Sumi is 798 crore. But if you standardize the data of all these companies in terms of its profit margin, quarterly sales, dividend yield, and across all the data we have, we still considering JBM Auto, it's going to be a multi-bagger stock in this group, because the company is very small and the sector is very promising and all the competitors in this group are doing well, so there is no reason for this company to be a bad company being in this group of auto sector. So in auto sector group and company like JBM Auto, that is always going to be a promising company with multi-bagger status for the value investment. Dear viewer, it is again another reminder that if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and you'll be getting alert of all our future programs and you will enjoy our educational programs always. So, my dear viewers, we'll come again with another interesting subjects for the investment. And thanks for watching this presentation. Please subscribe our program, and if you need any information about equity or mutual fund, you can contact us on our mobile number 854748 4769. Thank you for watching and see you soon.